344 centimeters in feet? First of all, we need to know the value of 1 centimeter in feet. It's always 1 centimeter equals 0.03280839895 feet. Now we have to multiply 0.03280839895 by 344. Therefore, 344 centimeters times 0.03280839895 feet equals 11.2860892388 feet. So, in other words, 344 centimeters equals 11.2860892388 feet. We hope you have enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.